Two kayakers are safe after going over the Dock Street Dam this afternoon. We had a photographer on the scene by the Susquehanna River. The Harrisburg Bureau of Fire Battalion Chief says the kayakers are lucky to be alive. They sustained minor injuries after getting caught in the dam. They were able to escape and got picked up by fishermen until the Harrisburg Fire Rescue boat arrived. An inflatable kayak was pulled from the river. A hard body kayak was still circulating in the dam. This comes as a lawsuit filed against the city of Harrisburg alleges the city did not do enough to prevent a deadly boating accident at the Dock Street Dam in 2023.